Hello, and thanks for dropping in. David Bradley from the pet room here. Isn't that funky doodle? Wow, it's changing. Anyway, this is the RAM chip that I took out of the 2031 high profile, and surely that can't be good. And it's funny, it started off as all pretty much the same symbol, but as you can see, it's now sort of slowly climbing up the screen. I wonder what else it will do. I'm delicately balanced with sort of a tripod on the keyboard. And if you see, if I push letters, things do happen like every second one. But that thing, and I'm doing this by the way, that thing is sort of eating away and going up the screen. Now I'm pressing the B, but it's coming up as a W. It was coming up as a B, but now we're down lower. Oh, now it's, no matter what I hit, it's a W. So definitely, that's a RAM chip out of the 2031 high-profile drive. It's bad. So now, I will get out my soldering iron, I will put it in a socket, and I will put another chip in. Now, do I really think only one of them is bad? No, probably not. But I'm going to do it one at a time. So, it's very handy to have this same RAM chip available in one of these pets, because there's absolutely no doubt that RAM chip is screwed. It's a 2114. You can steal them out of old VIC-20s. They're in all kinds of things. And supposedly, they're still needed somewhere in the world for people who fix old video games. Anyway, let the games continue. Bye for now.